baby documentary.
Say it again, mommy.
Mommy.
Say it again. I was like, do you guys want to vlog today? Be the vlogger.
Yeah. Today I will be taking over Christy Wise's channel.
Hold it up to your face.
No, it can see my face. I'm beautiful, I know. Oh no, I forgot to comb my hair.
You gotta make sure you comb your hair every day.
Well,
That's a part of your what?
morning routine.
That's right.
Okay, we're about to walk. Oops. We're about to walk into Target. I really don't know how Mommy does this channel. Like, I don't know how she always has something to say. Cause like, I decide what to say to the people I'm talking to. So I don't know who I'm talking to, but I know I'm talking to you guys. So,
Alright, y'all ready?
yeah, let's go in.
Hey, boo. Hey, you driving? You driving in your car? Oop. Uh-oh. Come over here. Come. Come. Come here. Come here, my little 8-month-old. I need to do an 8-month update. Oh, 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 oh. Wait. You gonna roll mommy's toes over. Yeah. Oh, no. Ah. Beep, beep. Pull out this little car from them. I'll link it down below for all my mamas out there looking for a little car for their babies to run around in. Yeah, see, it's on the move, honey. Yeah. That 4-year babe is at it again. So we have our HelloFresh meal. So today we are having walnut crusted salmon with garlicky zucchini, scallion rice, and a creamy lemon sauce. Excuse my hair, it is all over the place, but I am going to braid my hair. I know I said I wanted to wear my hair out more, but you know, your girl just ain't got time to be doing my hair every day, especially with the kids being home. I just want to get up. Uh-oh, be careful. I just want to get up and be cute without having to brush my hair and stuff. So anyway, so we are he's making dinner. He's getting dinner ready because our HelloFresh came today. Did I tell you they didn't even knock on the door? I didn't even know all the stuff was outside. Like, I mean, I got a notification. It gives you notifications, but usually it goes off if like cars are dropping. But it's real sensitive, so it's gonna go off regardless. But like, usually when they drop off stuff, you know, they usually will ring the doorbell. They did not. So as soon as I opened the door just to see how the weather was, we had like, what, 5 things outside. Speaking of, let me show y'all what my in-laws got me. Guess who's part of the Nespresso gang? Bang, bang. Ah! So excited, y'all. Oh, I just could not. Ah! Y'all just understand. Like, I am officially a bougie mom right now. And it just seems like more effective when it comes to my drinks and stuff. Because I bought an espresso machine. How long have I had it? For months? Has it been? Like a year. Has it been a year already? It's just too much to clean, and I don't know, it's just something about it that I just wasn't fulfilled. Anytime I went to Target and I walked like to go look at cups and stuff, I always would walk past it. And so I was like, okay, it's a little pricey for me, so we gonna have to do. And then I bought my, Mr. Coffee one, and it was the only one. So I was like, okay, well maybe it was meant for me. But then I realized, no, I need something that's less work, more effective, and I got it. Like basically like switch up this area to make it like a little coffee bar. and all that so that both our machines can fit, because honestly I didn't know it was coming. I actually thought we were going to get it at his parents' house because we're going to be going home and open stuff and everything, but it came here. So okay, how much I'm talking about my Nespresso machine? That's how excited I am. So that means I need to move to a big city so I can go to the Nespresso store and get my, forget Starbucks, I'm gonna be going to the Nespresso store. If we ever live near one, I'm gonna go there and stock up on different flavors and stuff. And straighten up and clean out while dinner is getting ready. I am going to...
While your dinner's getting ready.
Yes.
While your husband gets your dinner ready.
Yes, Chef Boyardee is at it again. Did I tell you I posted that video on YouTube Shorts, and I checked it this morning and it had like 39,000 views on it.
People like food.
So we're gonna have to get Babe to start doing the cooking videos. That's if he wants. I'll never pressure him to do anything, but the man can cook, okay? So I'm excited, and I'm probably gonna pull an all-nighter and do this hair tonight because at least my edges are growing back, y'all. Like, I need to share what I've been using because my edges are growing back, honey. Ooh, your girl ain't no bald head scallywag. So I'm really happy. But anyways, I'm done rambling, y'all. Let me get my life and clean this kitchen up.
It's just thrown together.
No, it's like portioned out perfectly and it just looks pretty. So let's try it out and see what it's tasting like. So it's not as big as I thought. I thought that was the whole thing, but I got all these goodies here. So I have 2 flossers. That one came in there too. I got some.
Is that what was in the...
Yeah, to make it tall. So that was at the bottom. And then these.
Did you get those pads?
Yes. Yes.
Fancy.
Yes. I want to set it up tonight so it can be ready for the morning. Since I already had my coffee for this evening.
So make me one tonight.
You gonna make one tonight? Try it out. We are setting up our Nespresso machine. I'm super excited to use it. We're gonna put we're going to put our coffee bar on this side. Oh, espresso machine, and the big guy had his coffee machine, and plus that. So we're just not gonna be enough room. I'm gonna make a little bar area on this side and make that other area like our mail and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm super excited to get that set up. So now I'm tempted to go on Amazon and like find stuff to like set up the whole coffee bar thing. Yeah, you wanna talk to? You wanna talk to? Yeah. So, but I think I'll worry about that after New Year, just because you know all the deliveries coming in late and stuff. So I'm just happy. So I'm super excited to try it, and I'll let you guys know how it is. So I'm not gonna take our heads off long because my head is Yeah. So I'm not gonna talk your heads off too long because my head is hurting. I was fine earlier, but I started I was fine earlier, but then over time my head started hurting because we had went out and everything, and I don't know, I guess the anxiety and just I don't know, I guess the anxiety being out during the holidays, because it's just everybody, y'all know how it is during the holidays, just total chaos, and I guess just the stress and overwhelmingness of being out with a bunch of people kind of, I guess it triggered my headache. And plus I didn't drink enough water in my car to get an oil change, and I just woke up and I didn't drink enough water. I ate yogurt before I left, but that was about it. So I say what I have to say. My head hurts, so I'm not gonna talk y'all heads off too long. But I'm ready to get this area set up and try to clean up. It's 8:54. Freezing tomorrow, so just want to make sure that we're ready and prepared for that. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Give it a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share with everyone that you know. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Troy's telling y'all Merry Christmas too. But I hope you guys have a wonderful, safe, and blessed Merry Christmas. Of course, I'll talk to you guys before New Year. And hope you guys enjoy your Christmas. Stay safe, have fun, stay warm, and I love you guys. Yeah. Say it again. Mama. I love when he says mama. Yeah. You love your mama, don't you? You tell beautiful people you say mama. You tell them how you can say mama now. Mama. I just love him. All right, you guys. Have a good night, and I love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye. Peace.
Okay, so right now I'm going to be making some ramen, and me, the one who likes to eat late at night, here I am making some ramen. So you want a bowl, make sure it is microwave safe. You want to put the ramen in. Sorry, vlog. Obviously, put this aside. Put this aside. So, I'll be right back. I need to go fill it with water. So you want to fill it with just enough water to cover the ramen. You want to press your ramen down to make sure it just barely covers it. Going to walk to the microwave. Go to the microwave. Put it in. And put it for 450. Okay, so we'll check back when it's done. Okay, my noodles are ready. I'm short, I guess. Not for a 9-year-old, but for... Ooh, that's hot. Let me grab my mittens. It's hot. Yummy. Now you want to grab the seasoning. I got this way from, I used to cook them in a pot. But my friend, I'm not going to tell her name just in case she doesn't want to be on YouTube. But my friend, she told me because I used to cook it in a pot. And she was like, this way is so much easier and faster. Because it only takes like 5 minutes to do in total. But like on the pot, then you just stir it up. Simple step. It's the most simple step. Let it soak in the juice. So that way it's not flavorless. And wait about like a minute for it to soak in. But if you want, you can go ahead and take it to wherever you're eating already. But it's like so hot. So thanks for watching this video, how to make ramen. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my ramen. Bye. No. Bye. Peace.